Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Elden Ring on your phone. First, you will need to select a suitable cloud gaming service, such as GeForce Now or Xbox Cloud Gaming, that offers Elden Ring. Next, ensure your smartphone's operating system is up to date, typically Android 8.0 or iOS 15.0 or newer. Finally, download and install the service's dedicated application from your device's app store to begin the setup process. When choosing a cloud gaming service, you have a couple of excellent options. GeForce Now allows you to stream games you already own on platforms like Steam or Epic Games Store. Alternatively, Xbox Cloud Gaming provides access to Elden Ring if it's part of the Game Pass library, requiring an active Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription. Both services recommend a stable internet connection of at least 25 megabits per second for optimal performance. Playing Elden Ring effectively on your phone demands a physical controller. Touch controls are not ideal for this complex action RPG. Most modern Bluetooth controllers, like an Xbox or PlayStation controller, will pair easily with your smartphone. Simply go to your phone's Bluetooth settings and connect. For the best streaming quality and minimal input lag, always use a strong 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection rather than mobile data. To ensure the smoothest possible Elden Ring experience, optimize your phone's performance. Close any unnecessary background applications to dedicate more processing power to the streaming app. Within the cloud gaming application, you can often adjust streaming quality settings. Lowering them slightly can improve stability on slower connections. Finally, keep your phone charged or plugged in, as streaming can consume battery life quickly during extended gameplay sessions.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.